buddy.
I think you have to turn on that road back there, but I'm not real sure.
Well, now look, you boys don't want to go mess around no old house. Those things is dangerous. You're liable to get hurt fooling around other folks' property. There's some folks at your daddy's place, huh? I got some good barbecue here. Why don't you... Them girls now, they don't want to go mess. Whoa there! Whoa! 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 Come over here! Whoa! Whoa!
Make sale tomorrow at 10 to 2 p.m. on the sidewalk in front of Bonbon. Proceeds go to the Muerto County to help fund the valuable work of these good ladies preserving our heritage.
You got no need to worry.
No!
No, you just cooperate.
What do you...
Up and get the lights. Cost of electricity is enough to drive a man out of business. No. There's no need to do that. No. Wait. Bullshit. I told you to stay away from that graveyard. Look what your brother did to that door. Yeah, he got no pride in his home. You got... You damn fool! You ruined the door! Shut up, you bitch hole. Right, you're just a cook. Shut your mouth. I just can't take no pleasure in killing. There's just some things you gotta do. Don't mean you have to like it.
You ain't going no place.
You hear me? Hush. It won't hurt now. Old Grandpa's the best killer there, like they say. I did 60 in 5 minutes once. Say, could have done more if the hook and pull gang could have gotten the beeves out of the way faster. Old Grandpa's the best. Get her, Grandpa!
This year, Drayton, you've got to tell the secret of that fabulously tasty...
Say, I love this town. This town loves prime meat. Drayton did it again. Number one. Number one. The Sawyers are number one. Number one. Don't call on this phone now, damn it. Get off. What? Tune it in. What suckers? You'll be the death of me yet.
You gotta run for that money now. Chase that dollar. Gotta go fast to catch it.
You dumb baboons are too dumb even to... What are you doing? You trying to hide something? Don't cut it! family standards only require the best meat in town. More money lost. I never get a break. Out of here. Maybe it's crack the main butane tank. All businessmen gets it in the ass every time.
It's what the public wants.
I don't want to hear that again.
It's Nomland.
Did you see it? Go check it out, boy.
Nomland.
Shut up. Told you to go toy on here. Get out of here. Thousands of dollars lost. You got that kind of money?
It's the DJ, my fave.
That dirty thing? Hey, you had to find out about it, didn't you? Yeah. Ask me. It's a swindle, that's all.
Help me, please.
All right, Miss Priss, cut that out. Leave him alone, damn it! Sex is, well, nobody knows. But the saw is family.
It's family.
Wait till Granddad hears about this. Damn it, let's go! Eat and run! Eat and run! There's a lot of hungry football fans to feed. Hurry it up! Grandpa likes to go. Grandpa's strict liquid diet keeps him as fresh as a rose. Every spring, the Atlas Rendering Company. Elation. The electrified cages, the cold steel chutes, the air-powered head hammers. Get the hammer. And the grinding. You just couldn't stand it. No way. That tub over there in a hurry. Do I have to do every damn thing around here? You just... Bubba, she's ready. Bring her on down. Oh, no. Bring her on down, damn it. No! Bring her away. No. Grandpa, he's a one-hitter. Please help me. Let's go see Grandpa, boy. No. Come on, bring the bitch down. Come on.
We sing, bringing in the sheep.
What the hell's going on here? Oh, I get it. The old pressure game, huh? Who sent you? Those sissies over at Delmar Catering? Are you here? Yeah, that's right. Get out of the damn kitchen, huh? Hey, how about that? I don't care who sent you. Who's that? Some new health food bunch? Small businessman that always gets it in the ass. Looks bad. Time to shut down the show, yeah. Yeah, pull the plug. Come here, nubbins. Yeah, there it is. Man builds a good and then kerflooey. The gods just... Not this time. I got the last laugh right here.
Peter, how are you doing that?
I don't know, Lois. I'm scared.
Well, come down.
I can't. I get help. Call somebody.
Who do I call?
I don't know. A police, a fire, a scientist. Call a scientist.
Okay, you can stay here with...
A blind out of this. He's protecting the house. Getting anybody in this family. We're Sawyers. What to do, Sheriff? He's family. We're gonna send out Jed.
You did it now, boy. That bitch me get away. Drayton. What are we doing there, Sheriff? Motherfucker!
Where you going, fatty? We gonna have a party. No!
Where are your manners?
Pigs!
You're calling my son a liar?
I swear!
You know you're my special. Jed?
You done good, Jed. Nubbins, go ahead and learn him some more. Show him.
Where? Drayton, Sawyer. This time it ain't the Gorman house.
For what? That ain't no crime I heard of.
Your fucking skull, huh?
Oh, easy, Hal. Keep your head on.
Hal, he ain't worth it.
He's at the old barn.
You sure he's gonna remember us?
Sawyer, I see.
Pull him out! Come on, we got you! We got you, Jed! Jed?
Huh? This ain't over, boy. God damn!
Go get her now! Go get her!